If you're a DJ trying to get booked on Instagram, I bet I can guess exactly what your notification feed looks like. It's a bunch of fire emojis, dope transition comments, and fist bumps from other DJs. Here is the hard truth. Other DJs are not going to book you for a $3,000 wedding. They aren't going to hire you for a club gig in Ibiza. But right now, Instagram's algorithm thinks that is exactly who you want to reach. But a few weeks ago, Instagram quietly rolled out a new feature called Your Algorithm. Now, most people ignored it, but when I opened it, I realized it's the key to breaking out of the DJ bubble and finally getting your content in front of brides, venue owners, and people that could actually book you for a gig. I'm Paul Hutchinson. I run Rockin' Social Media Agency from here in Spain. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to hack this new feature to stop attracting your competition and start attracting people that are going to actually book you instead. So here is how I found this. I was scrolling through my Reels feed and I noticed a new icon. These two little slider lines with hearts through the middle. I clicked it and honestly explained everything. So Instagram showed me a list of what it thinks I am. And my list was DJ techniques, music production, deep house and pioneer gear, entrepreneurship, marketing and stuff like that. Now, for me, that's fine. I run an agency where I help other DJs and I want to reach other DJs. But think about your list. If you're a wedding DJ and your list looks like mine, full of DJ gear and tutorials, then you have a massive problem. See, Instagram groups users into clusters. If you want DJ content, like DJ content and save DJ content, then Instagram puts you in the DJ cluster where you post a reel, the algorithm says, oh, he loves DJ stuff. Let's show his other video to other people who also love DJ stuff. And you are literally training the algorithm to show your marketing videos to your competition. Now you don't want that. You want to be in the wedding cluster or the corporate event cluster. And for the first time ever, you can now manually force Instagram to make that switch. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. Now, I want you to grab your phone and we're going to do a little surgery on your algorithm, okay? Step one is called Access the Brain. So what we're going to do is we're going to open your Reels feed and look for that icon with the sliders and hearts. If you don't see it there, then go to Settings, click Content Preferences and look for Manage Interests. You can do the same thing there. Step two is called the Purge. Now, look at the section called What You're Into. And you need to be ruthless here. If you see scratch tutorials, DJ memes, or music production, then remove them. Now, I know you love that stuff, but remember right now, you are a business owner, not a consumer. You're trying to get more bookings. We need to break the signal that connects you to other DJs. If you want to see that stuff, then you can create a new account and fill your boots. But if you're serious about getting more gigs in 2026, then you need to hear me out. Okay, next one. Step three is called the recalibration. Now, scroll down to the add button, and this is where the magic happens. We need to tell Instagram who your clients are. So if you're a wedding DJ, then type in these categories, all right? Wedding planning, bridal fashion, luxury venues, event design. And if you're in corporate or maybe an event DJ, add things like event marketing, conference planning, hospitality management. Then if you're a club DJ, add things like nightlife culture, festival promotion, bar management, event management, Ibiza clubs, things like that. Then I want you to hit save. And you've just told Instagram, I'm not just a DJ, I'm a participant in the events industry. Now, why does this actually work? Well, there's two reasons. First, the algorithm, by aligning your interests with the potential clients, then you're going to increase the likelihood of Instagram categorizing your account in their world, not the DJ world. But second, and this is even more important, it changes market research. So starting tomorrow, your Reels feed is going to change. You're going to stop seeing how to do a crab scratch and start seeing top 5 wedding trends for 2026 or what brides hate about receptions. You're going to see exactly what your clients are worrying about. And that is going to give you infinite ideas for content that actually connects with them. And you'll stop posting, look at my gear, and start posting, here's how to fix your wedding timeline, this is how you get booked, or how to put together the ultimate playlist for Ibiza 2026. Now, this isn't a magic button. It takes about 7 to 10 days for the algorithm to recalibrate. So keep an eye on your insights and watch for more views from non-followers. And here's a really important metric to track: how many new visitors you get to your profile. But remember, this setting only fixes who sees your content. You still have to make sure that the content is actually good enough to make them want to hire you. Now, I know I just threw a lot at you there. Changing your algorithm settings is only step one, but you still need a system to actually convert those new views into actual money and bookings. So I want to give you my complete playbook for free. Now, first, I've got the set formula. This is the exact PDF guide that I use with my agency clients. It covers story, execution, and transaction. And it's not just theory, it's the roadmap to turning your Instagram into a booking machine. Then there's BrandOS. Now, this is an operating system that I've built myself from scratch. Very excited about this. BrandOS is custom AI. You upload a screenshot of your Instagram profile, tell it your niche, and BrandOS acts as a forensic auditor. It'll ruthlessly analyze your grid, your bio, and your avatar to give you a signal score out of 100. But beware, you may not like what you read. Remember, don't take it personally. Just start making the changes, and I guarantee you'll see the difference. It tells you exactly if you are categorized, confused, or invisible to the algorithm. Now, I'm giving you the set formula for free. The BrandOS is something you have to pay for, but it's only £19. That is absolutely nothing to start crushing your Instagram game. So all you need to do is to sign up to my BPM newsletter. Click the link in the description below in the comments, and you can sign up there, and I'll send it to you inbox instantly. So stop guessing if your profile works. Let my new BrandOS system tell you. I'm Paul Hutchinson. This is Rockin' Social Media, and I'll see you in my inbox.